welcome to another episode of Travel Food Business Lifestyle Technology. Today I'm gonna give you information about Vaidishwaran temple. So let's go. Welcome to another episode of Travel Food Business Lifestyle Technology. Today I'm gonna give information on Vaidishwaran Koil. So Vaidishwaran Koil is a Hindu temple dedicated to the Shiva located in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Shiva is worshipped as the Vaidyanathar or Vaidishwaran, meaning the god of healing, and it is believed that prayers to Vaidishwaran can cure diseases. So, Vaidishwaran is a Tamil derivative from Vidya, doctor, and Ishwara, god master. The, the presiding deity is Sri Vaidyanathan facing towards the west, whereas east side is the common one. So he is the god of healing. When pronouncing in Tamil, it sounds like Vaidishwaran. So it is one of the 9 Navagrahas. I mean to say, it's 9 planet temple, and is associated with the planet Mars, Agrakara. The village is also known as the palm leaf astrology, called Nadi astrology in Tamil. It is located 7 kilometers from Srikazi, 235 kilometers from Chennai, and 27 kilometers from Chittambaram, and 110 kilometers from Tanjavur, and 16 kilometers from Mailandurai. The holy water of Siddhamirtana tank within the temple complex contain nectar, and holy dip is believed to cure all diseases. The temple is revered by Thevaram hymns of 7th century Saiva Nayavars and Tamil saints poet, and is also classified as Padala Petra Shataram. So, the temple is located in the Mailandurai district. Deity is Vaidyanatha Swami, Tayal Nayagi, and features is the temple tank Siddha Amritam. Location Vaidishwaran temple. State comes under the Tamil Nadu state. And let us talk about its legend. During the Ramayana period, Ram, Lakshmana, and Saptarishi have worshipped the deity in this place. But there is a pond at this temple called Jatayu Kudumbam, having a holy ash of Vibhuti, one of the 9 planet Agraka. Mars suffered from leprosy and was cured by Vaidyanatha Swami, and from then on it is treated as one of the Navagraha temple for the planet Agraka. Parvati, the consent of Shiva, asked her son Subramanya to appear with one face from his regular appearance of 6 face. When he did she pleased and presented him the veil, a weapon to slay the demons. Subramanya overcame the Asura Surapadam, and in the war his army was severely injured, but Shiva came out as the healer Vaidishwaran and cured the wounds. As per another legend, Shiva came as Vidya doctor and cured the leprosy of a starched devotee named Agnahara. Jatayarig, Veda, Muruga, Surya were all believed to have worshipped Shiva here. Murugan obtained a trident at this place and is called as Selvamuttu Kumaran. And let us talk about the history of this temple. The history of the Vaidishwaran temple. The temple received contributions from various rulers of the region, like Vikrama Chola, Veera Rajendra Pandya, and Achutappa Nayak in 1560 to 1614 AD, and Maratha Prince Tulaja. The temple has 5 inscriptions, mainly belong to the period of Kuladunga Chola I, that is 1070 to 1020 CE. The inscription on the steps of Subramania Shrine record the shutter of sluice at Satina Tanapuram measures 35 inches in length and 8 inches in breadth. The one of the one on the right of the temple tank indicates the tank Nachyar shrine is and its hall were completely renovated when Kandriya was governing the Singai Samalai, and during the management of the temple by Muthu Kumaraswamy Tambirabaranam, a discipline of Shivaganga Deshikar, Sambandar of Darapuram, one on the wall of the second princess. The inscriptions state that the country yard of Thailangi shrine, the sacred steps and Tatusuri Hall were built during Tamil year 4868, corresponding to 1689 CE. On the floor near accountant seat register, a deed granted by Shankara Baragari and Renoga Pathiran by Ambala Bhattambari, an agent of the temple. The east gateway inscription indicates the gift of taxes from Manipalam in Tiruvalliparu. The temple is maintained by Dharmapuram Adinam, a Saivati Mutt or monastic institution located in the town of Mailandurai, India. As of 1987, there were a total of 27 Shiva temples under the control of. Now let us talk about the architecture. The temple is located between Sirkali to Mailandurai State Highway. Frequent bus services are operated by Tamil Nadu government, but there is a railway station which is located between Chennai to Mailandurai railway road. Karaikal is the nearest proposal airport, located around 40 kilometers from the temple, but the temple has 5 tiered gopuram, that is the temple tower, 2 inner gopuram and large persist. The central shrine is that of Vaidishwaran, persist of lingam in the innermost scantrum. The first present around the scantrum has metal image of Subramania, worshipped here as Muthu Kumaraswamy. The other metal images in the scantrum are of Nataraja and Somakanda, Agraka, and stone sculptures of Durga, Dakshimurti, Surya, son of God, and Jatayu, Veda, Sampati. The shrines of Tayanaiki in the second present facing the south house, the image of Tayanaigi spotted in standing posture with the medicine oil to cure the diseases, but the large present also has a small shrine of Dhanvantri and a shrine of Agraka in the stone sculpture. But the southern gateway from this present leads to the temple tank and directly faces the Tayanaiki shrine. The Sathal Virshaka temple tree is Margosa neem tree, believed to possess medical prosperities in present near the eastern gate, but the eastern gateway also has the shrine of are the original temple that has a smaller replica of the main shrines. There is a fine temple image of Ganga Vaisrajar inside the temple. The shrine of Anagram, that is the Mars, Aganagram, yes, Mars, is present near the eastern gateway in the third precinct. So let us talk about the worship and festivals. Devotees take a holy dip in the temple tank before worshipping Vaidishwaran in the temple. It is also a local belief that dissolving jaggery and Tamil Vellam in the water cures skin diseases. And yes, to ensure a ceremony of getting children shaved for the first time to promote proper growth is a very common practices that is done here. And my maviku means mavikuma, lifting a lamp in the rice cake. Yes, lighting lamp in the rice cake is the form of worship practiced. And the practice of jamming salt and pepper in front of the temple mast and the pot near the temple tank is also followed. Unlike other temple in the South India, where each shrine has a priest, but each priest in the temple associated themselves with devotee and perform worship on their behalf. The holy salt rounded with ash called Tirchandu Uradai is treated as a medicine and is believed to cure all diseases. But another medicine given is Sandanam, that is sandalwood powder, with saffron. It is a practice to purchase silver-plated images of blood of the body parts to put in hundi, that is vessel for offering, to fix ailments one might be having. And the Veera Raghava Swami temple at Tiruvalluvar is considered the Vaisheshwara temple, equivalent of healing abilities of preceding deity to that Saivati Vaidishwaran Koil. So, what is the festival that is celebrated here? Brahmotsavam annual festival is celebrated during the Tamil calendar month of uh, Pankuni and Thai, that is January to February, and the Kartigai festival during November is also celebrated with pomp and glory. And Kanta Shasti, a festival occasion for Subramanya, is celebrated in the shrine of Muthu Kumaraswamy. So let us talk about Navagraha temple. The temple is one of the 9 Navagraha temples of Tamil Nadu and is a part of popular Navagraha pilgrimage in the state, and it houses the image of a Mars. The planet are believed to influence the horoscope computed based on the time of one birth and subsequently influences the course of life. Each of the planet are believed to move from a star to another during predefined period, and thus sway over an individual fortune. But the Navagrahas, as per Hindu custom, are believed to provide both good and bad effect for any individual, and the bad effect are mitigated by prayers. As in other Navagrahas temple, the common worship practices of the yes Navagrahas practice of the Yes, the Navagrahas practice of the devotees include offering of cloth grains, flowers, and jewels specific to the planet deity. Lighting a set of lamps is also a commonly followed in this temple. As per local legend, Shiva was doing penance at Mount Meru when a drop of water fell on his forehead, which turned into a beautiful child, that is Bhumi Devi, beautiful child. And then Bhumi Devi brought up a child who went on to become a staunch devotee of Shiva, pleased by devotion. So Shiva turned him to a planet based on his color, means moss color, and is usually clad with red colored cloth. So Vaidishwaran is believed to preside over Agrakan in the temple, along with Agrakan, Sambati, Jatayu, and Rigveda are believed to have worshipped Vaidishwaran at this temple. So let us talk about the Nadi Joshyam. I mean to say Nadi astrology. So it is also famous, which is outside the Vaidishwaran temple. So you have to ask the temple authority regarding this. So Nadi astrology, in short, we say in Tamil, Nadi Joshyam, is a form of Hindu astrology practiced around the temple. It is based on the belief that the past, present, and the future life of all human were foreseen by Hindu sages in ancient time. The texts are mainly written in Vetalu. It is almost written in the form of a plate, which is an ancient Tamil script. There are different school thought to the author of this leaves, but they are believed to be written by Tamil sages called Agrithyar, who is said to have the divine revelations. So this Nadi leaves were initially um, stored in premises of Tanjavur Saraswati Mahal libraries of Tamil Nadu. The British rulers laterally showered the interest in Nadi leaves, concerned with herbs and medicine and future prediction, but left most of the leaves to their loyal people. But some leaves got destroyed, and the remaining were auctionized during the British rule. But these leaves were obtained and possessed by the families of astrologers in Vaidishwaran temple and was passed down the years from one generation to another generation. So religious. Let us talk about the religious importance. The temple is reverted by Thivaram hymns of Saint Poet and Thiruvasagar and Sambradar, yes, belonging to the 7th century. The poet names the town where they found the temple in their hymns, and Pulli Irkuvar means it's a dot, finds a mention in their verses corresponding to the temple. The hymns appear to recognize the function of mantras invocation of Shiva, but in addition of the hymns from Tiruvasakar likens Shiva to a luminous object, a flame, a pearl, a diamond, and a pure gold. But he also indicate wasting a lot of days not worshipping Shiva at this temple. So one of the few hymns that were found were those who have no precipitation of golden feet of deity in Purlikru Velur, on whose matted hairs cobra and white yarukum flower are mingled, staying in their mind, will be the center of the halo of the hell. So these were the um, rhymes or that were written on the temple. I hope everybody got this information about Vaidishwaran temple, and please you can visit anytime after the lockdown persists, but kindly visit an astrology before going to this temple, so that you can go on the important function days. I hope everybody understand this, and thank you. Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. I hope this video was informative, and if you like this video, hit a like button, and for more updates subscribe to my channel. See you all in another interesting episode of travel, food, business, lifestyle, technology. Until then, bye bye for now.